What? Maddie, you played the Wii enough. Go give Dad back the remote. You played the Wii enough. We'll give it back to Dad.
Let's see it now.
See what?
See the picture.
Yeah, take a picture.
What is it?
Did you lock my door?
Yes, because I don't want to.
You locked my door so your brother can't get in here and take the remote from you.
I'm scared. No! Right down. Oh no, he's gonna go outside and open that door.
He's bigger than you. Is he gonna take the remote from you?
Daddy, get on the controller now.